Hello and welcome to this channel. So this is basically an introduction to what's going to happen. So I'm currently driving around in a diesel car, a 1.4 Kia Rio, and I'm going to go into details about the MPG and how much I spend in the massive distances I seem to travel a year in it, because I'm probably nearly double now the average sort of person's usual driving. And there's a lot of options on EV cars, and I want to change to EV, but it's obviously about what's the right choice, what's the right range, and what's the right car. So join me, follow me on my journey from having a car that's really only 2 years old into changing that, and see if EV is better, if it's able, and the actual real costs and what's available. So hopefully you'll enjoy this. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and let's go on this journey together. Thank you for watching.